Good morning. It's March the 27th. It's a Friday. Beautiful day in the country, and we're in self-isolation up here again because of the pandemic. Doing pretty good. Today's topic is cables. So cables for the Mavic Mini. Okay. Even though we're in isolation here, there's a lot of construction going on. A lot of cars going back and forth. They're still building houses, so I guess the economy up here is still going pretty good. But anyway, cables. This company here, CableCreations, produces one of the better cables I've found, and they're braided, and this is the most common one used. It's MicroUSB to MicroUSB, and one side is labeled host. That's one side is labeled USB. That's USB, and that side is labeled host. Okay, so it'll only work one way. So what I'm trying to do is get it so that it has this kind of an end. It has a right angle end to fit into your phone. But the only one I can find has a USB-A on the other side. I can't find them with both. So what I have to do then is use a small adapter, a small USB adapter, and put it in like that. And I have to kind of finagle it, and it works this way. Okay, but anyway, cables. The next problem was on my phone. I have a Samsung S7 Edge with a full case to protect it, because the original phone I got secondhand, it has a crack in the screen. So I got a full cover, and it's pretty thick, and it won't fit into the controller. It won't fit. You can't make it work. So what I did was I purchased, I think it was about $8 or $7, some adapters, a left and a right. One has a hole in the middle and one doesn't. What that does is they only fit one way. On the one without the hole fits on the right side, and they snap in, and this fits on this side, snaps in, push to the end, okay, and it makes a wider gap here so that my phone will fit in. Once you get the phone in, and it kind of snaps in, and it's got enough room on this side for the USB cable, and it goes like this. This side goes in there, and this side goes into the, oops, wrong way, goes into there, like that. So then you can hold it like this. Okay, what I'm trying to do, I'm wondering if it will work. Can I take these two cables and make them one? So can I cut this in the middle and put that on? So I'll have like that. Will that work? I don't know. I'm presuming it won't, because then both of them would be like a USB. One has to be a host. So what do I have to do with the wiring, or do I have to do something inside the plug? That's what I got to figure out. But either way, these adapters work very well. Holds the phone beautifully. I could use this one, which is the double-ended one, and one's marked host, and it fits in with the host side down. It fits in there, and this one fits, get them the right way here, fits in like that. But when I go to use it, my thumb is up like this. I could do that, okay, but it's a pressure on the wire. I don't want to do that, okay, but that works very well as well. Okay, so the question is, can I make one from these two? And that's what I'm asking today. Can I do that? I don't know. Maybe somebody has the answer. If you do, please leave a comment. Let me know. Okay? So that's it for now. Just a short one. It's a beautiful day. Get outside, walk around your house, go in the backyard. I'm going to be doing some yard work today, picking up some debris, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.